Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your body. With an inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer position. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, flowing at your own pace. With each inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lifting up and out of your waist. And with each exhale, draw your hands back to midline, returning to prayer position. Transitioning into seated sun salutations. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward from your hip creases. With your core engaged, inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, keeping your shoulders relaxed. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward, stretching through your back body. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide, feeling your core strong. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Repeating this sequence once more. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward from your hip creases. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer, and release. Moving into a lateral stretch variation. With your left hand to the chair for support, reach your right arm up and overhead, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your right side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. With your right hand to the chair for support, reach your left arm up and overhead, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, taking a few slow, deep breaths here, breathing wide into your left side body. Release and return to center, moving into shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, gradually increasing your range of motion, releasing tension and stiffness in your upper back and neck. Continue sitting tall with your shoulders and arms relaxed as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around, moving at your own pace, allowing this movement to create more mobility and flexibility through your shoulders and upper back. Release and return to center. Raise your arms out to your sides, shoulder height. Begin to make small circles as you reach energetically through your fingertips, moving slow and controlled, allowing this movement to tone and strengthen through your arms, shoulders, and upper back. Continue sitting tall, keeping your shoulders relaxed as you switch directions. Stay connected to your breath as you release and return to center. Extend both your legs forward, flexing through your heels. With an inhale, sweep your arms overhead, and with your exhale, place your hands to your thighs, gliding your hands down your legs, gently folding forward. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace. With each inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. And with each exhale, glide your hands down your legs, keeping your core engaged and your legs active by flexing through both heels, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling your mind calm, stretching through your back body. Slowly release and step your feet back to center, moving into a reverse plank position variation. Sitting tall, place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you and lift your heart, pressing your shoulder blades into your back torso, supporting the lift of your chest for a mild back bend, opening across your front body. Continue here or extend both your legs forward, rooting down through your feet, inseams rotating inward slightly. Continue breathing deeply, lengthening through your spine and arms, drawing your shoulders down away from your ears, feeling your neck long. Slowly release and step your feet back to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to the seat of your chair, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, place your hands to the seat of your chair and lift your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, allowing this gentle stretch to create more ease through your arms, neck, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Stay connected to your breath as you release and return to center, exploring a seated twist variation. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, twist to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg and your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen from the base of your spine upwards, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Slowly unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. Continue to invite space and a steady breath, allowing this movement to be a tonic for your spine and belly organs. Stay connected to your breath as you unwind and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.